In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error 1327 invalid drive G. So first thing you're going to do is go here and type in services. Actually, type in registry editor. Click OK. And here you're going to go here. Let me just close this down. So first you're going to go and to the HK current users. So this is the one. And then you're going to go to software. And then you're going to go to Microsoft. And I think it should be here, Microsoft. And then you're going to go to Windows. So it should be Windows. And then you're going to go to current version. And then Explorer. And then you're going to go to shell folders. So go to shell folders and it should be here. And this is shell folders. Go to this folder. So here what you're going to do is you're going to notice the location of these folders. They're all in C. If you find anyone that is in, let's say, F or L or whatever, like alphabet, just change it to C. So to change it, just click on this drive. And here you're going to see it. Just make sure to change it from whatever it is to C. It should be C. And then you're going to click OK. And then you're going to restart your computer and see if this fixes your issue. Now, if this doesn't fix your issue, then go here, type in CMD, run as administrator. And here you're going to type in SUBST space. And here you're going to type in the alphabet that it's showing for you. For example, it's showing for me is the G one, so I would type G. If you're having different alphabet, then type it here. Then you're gonna type in space and then C and then colons and then slash, this one. Then you're gonna press enter, and after that let it just load, and close this down and restart your computer, and hopefully this solves your issue.